Oh dear, we got a bit of a problem.
I've had a bit of rain over the last few days, and the MaxxFan mic installed is starting to leak. It's been raining all week. We've been waiting for a dry day, and it looks like this is going to be the only dry day
For another week.
So Mike's got an idea of how he's going to fix it, so we'll show you in this episode. So it was leaking in just in this little corner here, but since putting the tarp over, it's been okay.
I'm going to have to clear all that gunk off the 20 screws that are holding the surround down, and then release those screws and then release the insert.
Bubblegum fights on the third floor. Comedy specials at 8. Fishing rod in the quiet field. The what I caught wouldn't be big enough for you and
Mike was trying to seal our fan yesterday, stopping the leak, and he was in the middle of doing it, and then it started raining, so he couldn't finish it. So we just chucked the tarp over and hoped for the best, but it really wasn't good. Now it's just leaked all into our van and made a real mess, which I'm just cleaning up now. There's a water in the bucket there. A little bit of a dry spell at the moment, so he's hoping to get it done. It's just, you shouldn't be rushing these sort of things, eh? But we've really got no choice with this stupid weather. I mean, it was fine, sunny for months on end, and suddenly it's just raining for months on end. It's crazy. Sweat. Hello.
Hello.
What you doing?
Screwing.
This is the butyl tape he's using. It's just like sticky butyl, double-sided. Rain is coming.
and all of these moments
So get your fingers off it.
I just got told off for touching it. It is very sticky. Once you stick it, it sticks to your fingers.
and all that I'm left with is
So the surround's going in. Mike's just screwing it down now. I decided to try screwing from the inside.
and ask if I'm doing okay.
So Mike's got the insert in. He screwed it all in. There it goes. It fits. It's been 24 hours since we sealed in the MaxxFan, so we're gonna just get at it with some water and see if it's still leaking. So Mike's up there, he's gonna spray some water on it, and I'm gonna check for any leaks that might come in. Not seeing anything yet. Yeah, so I'm hoping that's all fixed now. We'll find out the next rainy period. It's probably best it happens now rather than if we're on holiday in the middle of nowhere. That would suck.
The one thing is, if it does leak, it's going to leak in the middle of our passageway, not in the middle of our bed.
Another place up here we've noticed it's leaked on occasion, usually after heavy rains. So there are a few other leaks on the van along the seams, the seam at the back there and the seam at the front. So Mike's just getting rid of all the crud that's in that seam, and then he's going to seal it and see if that stops the leak.
We're experiencing some dampness inside the van. We're trying to work out where it's coming from. This seal along here looks to have been a bit dried out, so I'm going to have to replace that. Not sure if you can see, but the sealant here is getting cracked. It's letting moisture in, so it has to be removed. Now to have a look, see what's hidden behind this seam. Well, it looks as though someone's had problems with a leak here and just covered it up. The rust is set in. But when I came down here to look at where the aerial sat, there's a little bit of rust around there and a bit of sealant. I thought, well, have a look, see what the sealant's like. Oh dear, there's a hole underneath there. We're going to have to fill that hole somehow. Oh dear, dear, dear. Get rid of that rust as well. I see the light, but I'm not meant to. That is where the aerial for the radio went. There's a rusted out hole. I need to get rid of that rust and then fill it in. Alright, so that's where the car aerial was. Cleaned out around the hole. I just need to spray it with Brunox. Right, so trying to find a solution for the hole in the roof where the aerial was. I'm going to use a pink pot lid. I'm going to cut a circle out and seal that over the hole. So there, I started. Just need to cut around that line with my mini hacksaw.
So Mike's just inserted a little plastic disc over that hole for the moment, hoping it'll fix the problem for now. Because we're kind of racing against the weather at the moment. It's going to be nice today, but it's going to be showery again tomorrow and then raining for another week. So we really wanted to get it covered quickly. So hopefully that's all the water leaks fixed in, Justin.
Touch wood.
If you watched our video last week, you'll see we also had a diesel tank leak.
Yeah, that's my fault. I screwed the cap back on, or I cross-threaded it when I screwed it back on.
Yeah, which is easily done, especially when you can't see what you're doing under there. But we ended up taking it into the garage to get them to fix it.
And the experts actually sorted it all out for us.
Yeah, so hopefully that's fixed now. But until next time, stay safe.
Have fun.
And be happy.